2019 SRT Hellcat Charger. Really beautiful color. Stone gray. I like that color. Black wheels. Just clean car. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. Factory converter there. Factory there. Factory X-pipe. Then we put two FLOWMASTER Outlaws, part number 15430S, as in Sam. Anyways, there and there. And then we left the valves in, there and there. And we left the rears in, there and there. And then he brought his own carbon tips, black, there and there. We installed the bolt-on. Very easy to install, guys, if you ever get them. You just loosen this bolt, put some good PB Blaster or WD-40 on it, and hit it a couple times with a rubber mallet. It loosens up. Take off the old ones and install the new ones. And they're pretty good about getting them just right. So they're really good at that, carbon is. Okay? But there's the two tips that were on it. And there's the two mids that were on it that we cut off and replaced them. There it is. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. Just a nice car all the way around. Nice stripes on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Wow, not bad. That's FLOWMASTER Outlaws in the middle only. That sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 119. 118 at double rev. That sounds phenomenal. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. That sounds beastly, man. I love it. Go and back it up. The beast. Beautiful. I like it. Wow, that's sexy. It's got a really nice bite to it. Don't you guys agree? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. All right, guys, Hellcat with FLOWMASTER Outlaw shorties in the middle, carbon tips. Oh, that's beautiful. Peace. Boom. Enjoy, guys. That came out perfect.